name is Cedric DeHue. I'm a patent attorney and have my own firm, DeHue Law, LLC. Well, without any further ado, I'd like to get started. So today we're going to be talking about trademarks and patents. And specifically the question for you guys is, how can I utilize intellectual property for business, right? Here's the agenda for today. So you see we have a lot to cover. Okay. I want to try to go through it as quickly as possible, but also want to make sure that to answer any questions you might have. So this is intellectual property, right? Intellectual property is pretty broad terms. Anything that's intangible, personal property rights, all right? That's a bit broader than just what we're going to be discussing today, which is specifically patents and trademarks. There are other areas in intellectual property. I just want to make you aware of that. And we're just going to be focusing on patents and trademarks. Okay? So just as a broad brush, let's go through some terms here. Trademarks are for product association, right? For example, Microsoft here, right? Here is the definition of a trademark. Word, phrase, symbol, design, combination thereof. Used to identify and distinguish source of the goods from one party and those of the other, right? And we're going to go through that definition in detail in a minute here. As you can see, Microsoft did a federal trademark registration, and we'll talk about that Circle R later in the presentation as well. Copyrights, we're not going to discuss it, but it is a big area of intellectual property, and this is the definition for it. It's a work of expression, okay? And the protection is for that expression. For example, Superman. There's a really famous case actually going on right now where the original creators of Superman are able to try to reclaim ownership of this original design of the Superman logo. Okay? And then we're going to be talking about patents and some of the aspects of patentability, new, useful, and non-obvious. Now, this might be a little bit basic for some of you guys, and hopefully we can go through it in a level of detail that's appropriate for everyone.